Hello everyone. In this video, I shall be talking about Summarize Written Text. Summarize Written Text is one of the most important tasks which contributes both in writing and reading. So if you are struggling with PTE reading, this task will help you a lot. This task is very easy to perform. So in your exam, you might have to deal with 1 to 2 summarized written text. You will be marked on the basis of content, form, grammar and spelling and vocabulary. To score 90 out of 90 in content, you have to include all the main points. Form, write between 5 to 75 words. I suggest write between 40 to 60 words. Another very important point, don't forget you have to summarize the given text and you have to make a single sentence. So put only one full stop. Grammar and spelling, make sure there is no grammar error and don't make any spelling mistake. Don't just sit and read the entire text, just select few sentences and paraphrase them using comma and. Things to be considered. You will have 10 minutes to perform this task, so don't write less than 5 and more than 75 words. You lose points in form. Use full stop only at the end. Use comma and to join the sentences. Check your summary properly if you are done. So I'll show you an example. So this is the text, and what I'm going to do is I'll select few sentences, paraphrase them and submit them. So I'm done. Now I'll check. There's no mistake, I guess. Yeah. Let me see. Oh, I guess I made a mistake. Like philosophy. P-O. So I guess now I'm done. Let me see. 7 out of 7. So what I did is I just select few sentences, paraphrase them and then submit it. Thank you.